While Texas whiskey may still be in its adolescence, our next stop is well into its old age. Going back into the Middle Ages of history, 9-pin bowling. And here at Spring Branch Bowling Club, they take it very seriously. 9-pin bowling is a little different to the rest of the world. I know that's like what y'all do here in Spring Branch, because you can't go to Dallas and 9-pin bowl.
No,
You can't go to Houston, can't go to Brownsville.
It's mainly like in Comal, Guadalupe, and Bexar is 9-pin bowling.
This is Annette Cass. Her husband's family donated this land to build these lanes. Because in these parts, it's not just about the sport, it's about the community.
They started bowling here July of '69 was their first league, and they had 16 teams at that time.
I see y'all even have y'all's own little Hall of Fame up here.
Yes, we do.
It's your husband? Yeah.
Yes, that's my husband.
How long does it take for newcomers to understand how this works?
It doesn't take long. I mean,
we're a little slow sometimes. Yes, 9 pins. One less than traditional 10-pin bowling, but that's not the only difference about the rules. To give us the rundown, maybe Linda Furnish can help.
So you start out with all the pins up, and the first bowler, if they get them all down, then they get a 9 ring.
Is that a strike? We call that a strike?
A strike, okay. Yes. If you get them all down and leave that red one up, you get 12 points.
Oh, all right.
So you don't get a full rack until they all are down. You do this for 6 frames.
Okay, this is fun.
You want to play?
Absolutely.
You're going to need a team.
Well, I know just where to find one. I'm recruiting new team members immediately. Apply online. One of the best parts of this, they don't make machines for 9-pin, so it's old school scorekeeping and even older pin setting. The competition seems pretty stiff today, led by local Andy Cruz. Come here often?
Yeah, I was asking where you ladies are from.
Yeah. Okay, that's how it's gonna be. All joking aside, any tips?
Well, keep the ball out of the gutter.
Okay, all right, sounds easy enough. The most unique thing is that any pins I leave standing, well, the guy or girl behind me on my team has to knock them down before we get a fresh set. So this truly is a team sport.
There it is. There it is. Oh, boys!
Just hit the blind.
Get 2, Lance, get 2.
Don't do it again, or else you're gonna... Look, well, Andy, what, look, is that 24 to 24 after the first one?
We'll call it beginner's luck.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Now we gotta swap sides.
Oh, like tennis.
We get the good lane.
Oh, we'll see about that. Well.
And another free lesson.
You could cut the tension with a knife.
There it is!
Let's go. If we as a team can clean up everything but the red, that's 12. Everyone is watching. How do you like them apples?
Good game, Chet. You still lost by 50.
What? Yeah, I expected that. I actually expected much worse. The joy of victory is quickly swallowed by the agony of defeat. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.